Hi there everyone, welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tow. We're about just getting ready to go on our first trip away for 2024. Must admit I'm a bit nervous. First time I've towed since last year, and also we've got the problem with the clutches, you know. And also when I came to set the caravan up yesterday, I noticed that the battery cable leads had come loose again, so there's obviously something wrong. I'm gonna have to maybe get it refitted back, get rid of the quick release clamps and get the normal ones fitted in. But let's see how it goes. Hopefully next time you see us we'll be actually on a campsite.
Reached your destination, Hurst Road. It is on your right.
Nice and wide open, isn't it, to come in? It's nice and handy having that pub there as well.
We have arrived, we made it. Clutch held out, found it dead easy. First bit of towing, piece of cake, and we pitched up at Apple Blossom Farm. I'm not sure if it's a farm, to be honest. Apple Blossom Caravan site, and yeah, looks very nice. I think this is the biggest pitch we've ever been on. Look at this. This is all our pitch. It's all still our pitch. This is our pitch. That's not a bad sized pitch, is it? Really? So this is the little country lane that you come in on, and you take a right here into Apple Blossom Caravan and Camping, and you go down the end of there and there's a little bar and a reception. So we're just walking up to the entrance and reception and stuff. There's certainly lots of things here to entertain you and feed you. There's a, as I said, there's a bar at the end, and there's a pizza thing. There's a pizza thing comes a couple of days, and there's also some sort of coffee caravan. Not that I drink coffee. I don't really like coffee. Do you like coffee? Hopefully they'll do tea. So this is the Old Stables bar, which isn't open at the moment, but I think it opens later on today, and I think you can get food and drinks in there later. Right, I can tell.
There's also a van that comes around, isn't there?
Yeah.
I think there's a pizza van on a Friday, and I think there's a fish and chip van as well.
And you stop here by the entrance, and to the right down here is the reception, and that's where you check in. A little area here to do your dishes and whatnot.
So this is the ladies. It's really nice and clean. Got your washing up, wash the floor kit there. Tiled, absolutely beautiful. It looks like it's just been done. It actually looks lovely. So you have the 2 areas here for the toilets. So you've got really nice big toilets as well. So, so they're a really good room if you need to take a couple of kids in there as well. You've got a hand basin here for teeth brushing. And there's only one shower, but it's really nice and big. So just taking you through in here. So this is the shower. As you can see, it's a huge area for the shower. Really nice area. It's got a shower curtain. Squidges obviously to clean with as well. Absolutely lovely. As I say, the grouting on here just looks like this has just been done. It looks really lovely. So there you go. And that's the facilities. I know Mr. Hayho said nobody's going to want to look at the toilets, but us girls, we need to know it's nice and clean, don't we?
Area to put your rubbish and the Elson point and grey waste here. And then there's the site down there. We're tucked away in that back corner on the hugest pitch I've ever seen. And this is the coffee caravan where you can make your own self-service coffee. Ooh, oh, I smell that coffee.
Right.
Cakes, coffee machine, little table to drink said coffee and eat cake.
Fresh cream cakes in there. $2.50 for a fresh cream cake. Very nice.
Mrs. Hayhoe's happy. She's found a vegan cake in amongst all the other cakes. And they're obviously building some new facility. Something here, maybe a little cafe or something, I don't know. So just having a wander around the site. It's quite small.
It's not that big, it take a couple of minutes to walk around.
It's 20 odd pitches, but they're all massive and evenly spaced out.
Yeah, I was just saying, they could have got so many more on, but it's just so lovely to have a big pitch, especially if you've got kids and dogs.
Yeah. We tucked away in the corner, just ahead here. And there's us. And if you swing a left, you go through into another field, which I think they call the meadow.
I think it's just supposed to be for camping, so this is basically for tents, but it's turned up.
Nice playground. And you've got all this field here to play football and run around in, should you be inclined that way. Now down at the end of the field, where you can hear a generator going, or something, I think there's some deer down here. I'm just going to have a look. Don't know if you could see those very well, but they were some form of deer. That noise, the generator thing, I think it's because it's been quite wet. I think that's some farmer trying to pump out some waterlogged land. But this is the quiet part of the campsite apparently, but not with that generator going. Oh, the irony. Word of advice, don't wear trainers when you come here. It's all grass and the ground is very wet and dewy and my toes are damp. And it looks like in the camping field, in the playground, they're building another facility unit here. Looks like I can see a sink there and maybe toilets and a shower, maybe a shower block. And back out from the meadow to our little, I say little,
Our little pitch.
a huge pitch. Can't get over how huge it is, we keep mentioning it. And because we're professional vloggers, we're going to do that thing where you put the keys in the door. See? All vloggers do that. We've had a little rest for the last couple of hours. I might have fallen asleep in the caravan. And but little hey-ho now is she's given into stomach calling. And she's gone to the bar to see if they've got food on, so we've been summoned to go because apparently it's open.
It's open, so we're going to go see what there is.
How could you tell it was open?
Can you go then?
Great start. What score did you get? Well, they don't do their own food there, they just serve drinks. So you've got
They
to...
do have menus,
They
you
have
can
menus.
order something from a takeout and then eat it there.
Yeah, they've got some lovely tables so you can get drinks. So we're going to see if we've got any food in the caravan that we fancy. If not, we'll go and find a takeaway. I'll get one delivered here and then eat it in the bar. Does that sound good?
Mhm.
Happy with that?
Mhm.
What are you eating?
Nothing. See?
We decided to make a bit of a vegan burger on teppanyaki as our meal tonight. Beautifully presented.
Okay. What? Let's put it all down. Peace. I don't know what you're trying to make it out like I don't do washing up. You're taking a big video.
Doing some washing up. And then we're just heading out to get something else to eat because a single burger wasn't enough. And it's raining. So we've gone into Snaith. Snaith, sorry, not Snaith. Snaith. Nice church. It's a bit wet and miserable. But we're just going to get some takeout.
There's a town lock up there. Get a bit round.
Snaith Town Lockout. Have we seen a video when someone came here?
Yeah, it's
Oh, Tony Mito and you came here, didn't they? It's quite picturesque, Snaith, to be honest. Chips, fish chips, well,
Mushy peas for me.
chicken bits. Back to the bar for chips. Nice. Cheeky beer. That look nice? So we came in, we made it in out of the rain, and we're just getting the heating on. It's a nice little place, isn't it?
It's so nice. We talked to the owners as well. Really nice family-run business. They said that obviously they're doing a lot of changes at the moment as well to upgrade the site even more than they've got already. They're putting in a new office, and
That's what that building was that we saw.
Yeah, that's the building that we saw. She's making that into an office, and then the current office is going to be made into a quick turnaround wet room area for showers, and increasing other facilities like the laundrette area and stuff like that. So there's lots going on. It's just such a really nice place to come, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really quiet, isn't it? Massive pictures, really quiet.
Especially if you've got a big motorhome or a big outfit, you know, they definitely can accommodate you.
And it's nice having that bar on site as well, isn't it?
Yeah, and what's really nice as well is you can order any of the takeaways or bring your own food into the bar. You can sit down, order yourself a pint, and eat your own food in there.
Yeah.
All the cutleries are given to you.
It's got a
free
huge
charge.
TV games. There's games in there. There's like foosball. There's darts in there. It's really good.
Scrabble.
It's really
If you want to get absolutely destroyed at Scrabble, come here when Mrs. Hayhoe is here, because she will. She shows no mercy.
She will make you cry every single second rest of your life.
What can I say? Do my best.
But yeah, that's the first day here, and it's been quite relaxing. I think we're just going to chill early night tonight, and then just see where the day takes us tomorrow. We're not planning on doing much on this break.
No,
Just
we have been to Snaith today, didn't you? Picked up some chips and stuff. And
Beautiful.
it was a really nice little town, wasn't it? Really lovely.
we only saw it in the evening time, but
yeah, so
and in
we'll
the rain.
try and obviously nip back there when it's a slightly nicer day, maybe. See what it's like.
Yeah. So good night for tonight, and we'll see you guys in the morning.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Sleep tight, John boy.